I wasn't able to use my hands for 10 years. And then I found out about this surgery, and it has completely changed my whole life. I'm Alison Blanton. I'm from London, Kentucky.
My name is Mia Blanton, and I'm from London, Kentucky, and I'm Alison's grandmother.
So I went for a 2-year checkup with Dr. Cassidy, and he had mentioned it to me and told me to go see Dr. Kluemper to learn about this new surgery. And I met him, and he's awesome. He's a great guy. And he told me all about what the surgery would do and the independence I would gain. And I was like, I'm for this. Let's go. I was extremely nervous. I was excited, but I was also like, what if it don't work out the way I thought it would? But it exceeded my expectations, that's for sure. We have 2 extra tendons, and he took one of those extra tendons and wove them into my arm right here, which gave me the ability to grip. And then he put plates and 7 screws to infuse my thumb so I'd be able to pinch down and grab things that way. So the first 3 days were rough, and I thought to myself, what did I do? Why did I do this? But the more I went along and the more I got into occupational therapy and just really seeing the things that I was doing really gave me that confidence to even do more at home and really try anything with my hands down just to see if I can do it. Oh, they were awesome. They always greeted with a smile. They were all so caring, so kind and compassionate. They would always cheer me on, and that just felt great. They still check in on me and make sure everything's going great. And yeah, I have the best group of doctors, I think, around.
And since the time of your accident, It's been that way.
Yeah.
There is hope, and there is someone who truly cares and wants to help those like Alison. And I would encourage anyone to contact UK and ask for help, because I guarantee you they can do it. She's a living example. I mean, look at her.